Hello viewers, we'll be going over gold futures. In this video, we'll be going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1 hour chart. We are in negative MACD. We did see it diverge. As we extend that to the 4 hour chart, we remain in slightly positive MACD, but approaching to negative MACD territory. We're still below the 200 moving average, this green line at a price of $1,797.10. With the daily chart, we remain in negative MACD. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading GLD, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $156.57. My sell target is at $173.21, and my stop loss is at $150.85. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $177.63. My sell target is at $162.68, and my stop loss is at $184.12. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that will be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, gold futures has a 58% chance to climb between 0 to 6.3%. To the downside has a 37% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6.3%, and a 5% chance to fall between negative 6.3 to negative 12.5%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.